to the kitchen. We are studying Persepolis this month in school, and Persepolis is about a young woman growing up in Iran during the revolution. And to honor this book, we are going to be exploring recipes from Iran. And so this is Shir-berenj. This is a rice pudding. We're using Persian spices, cardamom, prunes, and pistachios, and also basmati rice. Basmati is a very good fine rice to use with it. If you don't have it though, you could use jasmine. And we just made a trip to Trader Joe's, so we've got our Trader Joe's pitted prunes and our Trader Joe's pistachios. So let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. So I've got my water and I'm adding our 2/3 of a cup of basmati rice, and we're gonna bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. So now I'm gonna bring it to a simmer and I'm gonna cover it, and we're gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes until all the water has evaporated. Here are our prunes, and we wanna cut them in half, and then we're gonna cut each half into thirds because we wanna make these about the same size as a raisin. Our timer just went off, and there you can see our water has completely evaporated and our rice is nice and fluffy. Now we're gonna add in our 4 cups of milk, and to that we're also gonna add in our 4 green cardamom pods. It smells wonderful. And we're gonna continue to simmer this. We gotta bring it to a boil, and we're gonna stir it and simmer it for 30 minutes. You don't want to let it go for too long, so maybe every 30 seconds give it a stir. You don't want the rice to burn on the bottom or to stick in the edges and the corners of the pan. So keep stirring this every 30 seconds for 30 minutes. So set your timer and we're gonna see it thicken. So we've been stirring this for half hour, and you can see the milk is thickening. And now we're gonna add in our sugar, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and our 1 cup of prunes that I cut up to small pieces. And again, we're gonna stir this, and now we're just gonna simmer it until it thickens to the desired consistency. I like my rice pudding thick, so I'm gonna let it continue to cook a little bit, maybe 5 minutes. If you prefer your rice pudding to be loose, then maybe only simmer it for 1 more minute. Here is our finished rice pudding. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to try it. Now, if you do not like prunes, you most certainly can substitute raisins, just the same amount, 1 cup of raisins instead of the prunes. There we go. There's a nice portion. And you can chill this in the refrigerator or let it come to room temperature or serve it hot, whichever way you prefer to eat it. I like mine warm, so I let it chill a little bit. And here are our chopped pistachios. 1 tablespoon should be enough to garnish. You're gonna get about 6 to 8 servings, depending on what size. I like this bowl. And then a nice garnish of the pistachios. And this is our beautiful Persian rice pudding with prunes and cardamom pods. It smells absolutely wonderful and it tastes divine. I've already tried it, and I hope you are inspired to make this at home. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Take care, and please check out all of our videos on our YouTube channel. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.